Hey guys, welcome back to Dine with and Renee. Today is a Sunday morning and it is so hot, guys. I cannot even. We're gonna go to Ayia Napa today and we're gonna go for a boat cruise. So we just want to see the areas around Ayia Napa, and I hope it's gonna be a lot of fun. Right now it's like 8:30 in the morning, and I'm waiting for Mercy and our other friends so that they can come pick me up. I hope today is gonna be a good day, and I cannot wait to take you guys with us today. So stay tuned. Bye.
So we've arrived in Ayia Napa now.
Finally.
Finally. So yeah, we're gonna look around.
Yeah.
There are not much people really, because like our boat cruise is at 10:15.
Is it 10:15?
Yeah.
10:15.
I heard. 10:15.
Yeah. So we came earlier, so we're just gonna walk around
Yeah.
before we get there.
We're gonna keep you posted.
Yeah.
All right.
Bye for now.
Yeah. Like there's a lot of ways. Yeah.
I think it's a bit busy.
Yeah. It's like last time when we gave the boat cruise, like was CC.
People don't get
Yeah. I hope I was guessing. Yeah, we're doing this thing.
Yeah.
But there's a little bit of like good breeze there. It's hot, but you can't really feel like.
It's hot when but it's just
Yeah.
also because today is just so hot. Like when we left the house, it was already yeah, and then it is 8 a.m. Yeah, it would be a beautiful day.
Yeah, stick around.
We are there. I don't know. Is it where we going or? I think we've reached where we're supposed to go, and people are probably going to Cyprus. Around here.
Messi had seasick again. Like, what does that even mean? All the time. So, I think we're gonna stop around here for some swimming.
I think make
Yeah.
Oh, look who we have here.
Yeah.
Hello, Renee.
Hello, how are you?
Fine. How's been the cruise so far?
It's okay. I've been enjoying myself really.
Great. I'm gonna borrow a little bit of your time,
Yeah, sure.
and I'm gonna ask you 3 specific questions. Do you promise to be honest with me?
I promise.
Great.
Yeah.
So, what inspires you the most?
I feel like what inspires me the most is the people around me. I've always had successful people around me, or people that have achieved a lot in life, and I just want to be like that, even character-wise. So yeah, I feel it's that.
Good answer. What's your favorite wild animal?
Wild what?
Animal.
Wild animal. What's my favorite? I feel it's a lion.
Lion. Why? Why is that?
I like its character. You know,
Okay.
it's cute really. Animal like especially lionesses, they're cute to me. But
Yeah,
at the same
they're
time, they've got that.
Ooh, they're strong.
Yeah,
You can't
yeah.
mess with them.
Yeah.
Last but not least, what's the favorite place you wanna go to here in Cyprus?
Here in Cyprus, oh goodness, I've been everywhere. Actually.
So, what was your favorite one? Which one was
I
your
would say
favorite?
that Paphos. Yeah. I would say that it's Paphos. Just because I don't feel it's because of the view and everything. I feel like
Vibe.
Yeah. And every time I go there, I'm just surrounded by good people. So I've had fun in Paphos more than any other place.
All right, thank you so much for your time.
Okay. Just gotten off the boat, and right now, I think we're gonna go home. Okay, so Mercy, hi.
Hello.
How was the boat cruise?
It was pretty good, but I got seasick as usual.
Oh, so sorry. How are you feeling now?
I still have like a hangover, but I hope I'll be over it soon.
Okay, that's okay. So I've got 3 questions for you that I want you to answer honestly.
Yeah, bring them on.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite
Not the
book.
Bible aside.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I'm torn between Rich Dad, Poor Dad,
Mm-hmm.
or Dear Sonali, A Letter to the Daughter I Never Had by Judge Lynn Toller. That's my favorite actually.
Oh, great. What's the best advice you've ever got?
Oh my God, from that book, I'm gonna quote from the book.
Yes.
She says that don't do wifely duty at a girlfriend price.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's a great lesson.
Yeah, and the second one, like just a bonus.
Yeah.
She says that don't let a guy tell you twice that he doesn't want you. Don't let him do that to you.
What do you do when you're sad?
When I'm sad,
Yeah.
I write my feelings down.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, thank you so much for answering the questions honestly.
Welcome. Ciao, ciao.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, so we're just going down the road now and to catch up with you later.
Thank you guys for watching our video. Hope you enjoyed watching it as much as we did making it. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Come back next week. There's gonna be an epic video. Goodbye.
I pray,